Hey guys, Saturday morning here. I've had a couple of people that I've answered questions to over the last hour or so, and I feel that it's relevant to everybody in the group. So I thought I would do this quick video. It's not really any trading involved, it's just me explaining something that someone asked me. One of the members asked me last night, and I had another one with a similar sort of question that I sort of answered with the same answer this morning, is what do I do that makes me so consistent and gets me profit on a regular basis, where it seems like a lot of others seem to be up and down, they make money, give it back or whatever. And my answer is it's not really anything to do with the indicator. It can be the binary destroyer. It can be any of the bend strategies, normal BD, the ANDs, pullback. Doesn't really matter. It can be two MAs crossing. It can be other people's things with stupid repeating arrows. You can have nothing on your charts. You can just decide that every trade I take is going to be a put or a call no matter what. I personally believe you can make money doing just about anything, any system. Jamie's probably not going to like to hear that, but that's my opinion. But the secret to it is money management. You must have a strict money management policy so you don't blow your account. Now, let's just say, for instance, we decide that we're just going to take trades with the trend, and we're going to take every single trade. Let's just, for instance, say we've got a moving average, 100 moving average, and we're going to wait for, let's just say our policies, we wait for an arrow to pop underneath the MA, so every trade we're going to take is going to be put trade until price crosses back above the MA, and then it's going to be a call. Let's just say that's our system. So we get this one here, so this is going to be a put trade, we win, put trade, we win, and we're going to do one candle expiries, okay? We're doing binary at the moment. You can, whatever. We'll talk about Forex in a minute. We win, we win, we win, we win, we win. Now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins in a row. Now, my money management policy is if I win 5 in a row, I stop for the day. Okay? You might have 3, you might have 6, you might not even have anything like that. So I would have stopped at the end of that one and gone and done something else for the day. But let's say I have 10 winning trades in a row. So we've got to this one and we have a loss. That's okay, we have a loss. We wear the loss because this is a business and that's business expense. Like any business, there's business expenses. So we keep going on down. So we win again, and we have another loss. So now we've had we've had 8 trades. So the 9th trade is a winner and the 10th trade is a winner. So today I've done my 10 trades, I've had 2 losses and I've had 2 wins, and I'm in profit and I go and do something else. But let's just say, for argument's sake, we started in this spot here, okay? And we've got the arrow here, pretend this wasn't there. We have a win, but then we have a loss, and we have a loss, and we have a loss. Okay, so we've had 3 losses in a row. My money management policy is 3 losses in a row, you stop trading for that day and you go do something else. So we're out. We've had 3 losses and 2 wins. We're not made any money today, but we're going to stop the hemorrhaging. Okay, that's my money management policy. Okay, and that's just on a very simple made up trading strategy I just made straight away. We've had one that's made us 8-2 and one that's stuffed us up for 2-3. Okay, but this one I've made money, this one I've stopped the bleeding. That's what I call a money management thing. You don't want to look. Let's just see if I can find something that runs like see this one here. Let's just say we're doing our money management, but we haven't got a money management, but we're just taking my made up system, everything's just a put trade. We lose, we lose, we lose, we lose. We have a win. We lose, we lose, we lose, we lose. We have 2 wins. We lose, 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 lose. Have 2 wins, lose. We've just about blown our account in 15 trades because we've got no money management. Okay? So, like I've just showed you, you can make up any, well, let's just do Binary Destroyer for a second, okay? Take that off, normal BD. Okay. Wait for, I'll do my 3 candle because the 3 candle rule is my favourite trading. Here's one here, right? Count 3, you got an arrow, right? I always wait for the candle to go in the direction of which way the arrow, so at the end of this candle, right? So we're within the 3 candle, and we're on a 5-minute chart, so we go 6 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jeez, is that a win or a loss? It's just a win. Okay. And this one's a win, definitely a win. And that one's not a trade, they're not trades. Here's one here. This one's going to be a loss. Okay, so there's your loss there. See, just about everything is, you know, like this is no different than the made up thing I did before. Here we go here. You have to take it at the start of this candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we win there. And I'm not going to bore you and keep going on and on and on. It's, as I said, you can literally make money with any system. Yeah, some systems will be easier to understand and better than other systems, and the ANS is a very good system. I like it better on Forex and Binary. You can do the same thing with the Forex. Just set yourself a very moderate stop loss. That's what I would do. Like if you've got a small account, make sure that you're not setting your stop loss more than 1% of your account, things like that. I would even do that with higher ones. So like Jamie said in a video a while back, you can lose, you know, 7 out of 10 trades and still be in profit with Forex, you know, even 8 out of 10 trades. In fact, I knew a guy who lost 10 trades in a row and made profit with 1 trade for the day. So but the reason he was able to do that with Forex is because he had a very good money management system with his stop losses. So in his trades that he was losing, he was not losing very much of his accounts. But if a trade did win, he was making like 6 to 10% on his account. So he was losing like a 0.5% to 1% of these accounts, but if he won a trade, he was making 10%. So he could afford to lose a lot of trades and recover it and even be in profit for the week with the 1 winning trade. That's a money management policy. The whole idea of trading is to protect your money from being, you know, your account from being blown. And if you can do that, you don't need a high win rate to be a profitable trader. That's my secret. And I hope that makes a few of you understand about you don't need a holy grail system, and you don't need something that's getting you, you know, perfection in win rates, because that doesn't happen. It's all about protecting your money against the bad trades, and you clean up on the good trades. I hope a lot of the more senior traders agree with that. It's okay if you don't, but this is how I work, and this is how come I've been able to make money. Because guys, a lot of you have this perception that I win 99% of the time. I don't. I had a really bad week this week with Binary. I went against my rules. I overextended myself. I learned a very hard lesson from it, and into trading yesterday I was in profit because I went back to what has worked for me, strict money management. And you know, I'll be honest, I lost over $3,000 in the first 2 days of the week, but I ended up making $4,400 for the week, so I'm up over $1,000. That's money management, kind of, not at the start of the week. That's both ends of the scale. I blew my money management at the start of the week because I got suckered into the double top thing on a US CAD trade with the ANZ. Didn't really do proper money management. Didn't look at the higher time frames to see what the price was really doing. And I got stung for it. And because I believed in the trade, I overtraded on it, trying to recoup my money. And I learned a lesson that that's not going to happen to me again. And for the rest of the week, I didn't do that. And for the rest of the week, I recovered the loss. And I got into profit because I stuck to my money management 100%. And if you do that, I promise you guys, you'll all start making money no matter which system you use. Alright, thank you.